Really? What do you got?
Oh, is that a t-shirt?
Oh. It says Big Sister on it.
Okay, there's more. There's more.
Oh, it's okay. I'll get it. Get some. What else is in the bag?
Another one.
What else is in the bag?
Let me hold it.
Okay. Take the sticker off.
Okay, here you go.
Emily,
Here you go.
she's taking it off.
Okay,
Okay, there you go.
I'll bet her. Wow. Cool. And
What
she
else
dropped
is
it.
in there?
Ooh, pretty.
You better
Yeah,
have
it's
some
a
on under that.
tutu. Pretty.
It goes with this.
Oh,
And it
little
goes with
princess
these.
shirts.
For PJs.
PJs. Who wears tulle to bed?
Emily does.
Yeah,
Put
it goes
your
in the
skirt
trash. Hold on, we gotta go put it in the trash. Okay, come back.
Put your skirt on. Put this on. Come on, step in. Hold on to my arm. No, you don't want to wear it?
Here, come get the rest. There's more.
Puppy.
More.
Puppy. Go.
Puppy.
Chloe's
Puppy's right there.
Oh.
Baby.
Full tea.
Puppy. About you.
Say thank you, Grandma.
Thank you.
Say Grandma.
There you go. Okay. wanna help?
Help, Mommy. Help, Mommy. Help, Mommy.
I'll get it.
Say help, Lisa. Okay. Say help, Lisa.
Help. Up. Up.
Here, put it right here. Look, what is this? Who is it? Say puppy.
She's trying to put it on herself.
Yay!
Yeah. Okay, there's another one in here.
There's another one. Oh. Yeah,
Alright.
it was good. I'll call you back. We're opening gifts right now.
Help.
Okay, bye.
He's still recording.
Yeah.
Hey, there's another one in here. There's one more. One more.
Go see.
Alright, that's it.
Pretty. That's for Halloween.
Say help, Lisa.
Help.
Say, Lisa, help. Okay, can you go put all those in the trash? Put them all in the trash. Put this in the trash too. Take it all to the trash.
Trash.
Just don't forget these.